Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to review a very useful product for the family. So the name of this product is from the brand Akari Mosquito Fighter Pro. So this device is a rechargeable mosquito killer lamp. So you will ask me, sir, what is the need of this product? Okay, if you see here in our family, so many people when they inhale this all out or good night. Okay, so whenever you inhale this all out or good night, you will have some sort of lung related issues or some kind of allergies, and this is not recommendable to inhale for longer time. So for the family members in our family, so we are introducing a product to create an comfort to the family members. This is from the brand Akari. So the advantages of this product is this is USB chargeable by using Type C port, and this is a slim and portable. So the next advantage is it produces 2-time spark, such a way it can kill the mosquito, and it has 50% more backup than compared to mosquitoes. Okay, so and you can see here it can attract houseflies, and it can attract cockroach, and it can kill the mosquitoes. Okay, so let's try to see some features of this. The best feature of this is, for example, you are traveling from one location to another location or to an tour. So there you can see here we don't know whether we have these kind of mosquitoes or any kind of insects. So this is slim and portable. Wherever you want convenient, you can take out this product, and this is easy to carry in a bag. So coming to the specification, so this product is rechargeable inbuilt with an battery, and it has an a lamp of blue color which consumes 1 watt, which absorbs the mosquitoes, and it has a grid power of 0.1 watt. And in order to charge this, we need require 5 watts adapter or normal mobile phone adapter, and the operating voltage is 2500 volts. And you can see here the dimensions is this is 31 centimeters length and 26 centimeters width. So the top specification of this product is this will kill the mosquito using electric shock, and this is a small and compatible device, and it creates some sort of blue light which attracts the mosquitoes, and it doesn't produce any sound similar to that of the remaining. So it is specifically designed to attract the mosquitoes, and it is built of high lithium ion battery and USB charging. Let's try to see the product. Hi all. So today we will see how to install this product and how it functions. So already I told we have an USB charging. So this is the USB charging port, and a charging port is provided this side. Okay. So by using this charging port we can charge the device. Okay. And you can see here this is easily hangable. Okay. So just through one nail you can easily hang it. So I had connected to the charger, and now it is functioning. Okay, so how to turn on it is provided with a switch at the top. Okay, so just if you press this, so this is the switch provided. So if you just press the switch, you can see here it will try to glow a light which is nothing but a blue color light. So this blue color light is designed to attract all the houseflies as well as the mosquito. Let us check whether it is working or not. Okay, so let's assume that an mosquito has came to our location and it has touched it. You see here the spark produced by it. So automatically mosquito will go inside and it will die. So this produces around 2200 volts, and the mosquito die, and it is designed and with a small device which can attract mosquitoes, and it's like a mosquito trapper. So this is the physical look of the product. Let us try to see the dimensions. Okay, so we have the dimensions as already mentioned.